Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a star rating project in React.js. So here is the functionality. When we hover in it, it will show the star which rating which we have given. Next, if we click on this, basically on click, it will highlight that star, and when we will remove the mouse over from it, it will remove the color from the star. Okay. So now we will create one new array, star count dot map, sorry, dot fill 0. It will fill till 5. Like, wait a minute. So it will fill all the array with 0 value. Next, if now we'll write map, inside the map we'll give two parameter. First one will be value, second one will be index. After this, we will return inside this we will return span element span. Here we will write star code 9 and hash 933 933 star simple. Copy it from here. You can also write HTML entity code. From here you can copy it whichever symbol you need. Next, here we will leave a key value. If this is that, so key equal to index on click. On click, we are setting the value. Here I created one use state to set the star value. On click, set corporate formula. Because sometimes if there is difference between the name, then it will not work. So better to copy it from there. Star. Only of this star rating component index plus one. Why I've written index plus one? Because in array it will start from uh, 0 to 5, 0 to 4. Here we have 5 index, so it will start from 0 to 4. But if we want the proper index number, which is 1 to 5, then we need to plus the index. Start. Next, on mouse enter equal to this. Here we will set the hover same arrow function set over set will be same here index plus one. It will start from one, else it will not give plus one. Then it will start from zero. On mouse enter now on mouse leave on mouse leave. Oh, there is something wrong. On mouse leave, we will set the hover star over value to zero. No need to write curly bracket. Zero. This just completed now. In class name, we are writing the condition. In React, I think we can do this, but in our JavaScript, it's not possible. I think. So, class name. So, and class name index. Index is less than star count, star count. Then print. So color this one or else it will be black. Okay. So now we can see the all the star get color, but we want when we click on the button or hover the button, then only the star will get highlighted. So pause the video and try to fix it by yourself. Next, what mistake I've done it here, we need to check the star value. Now here we're checking the star count value. Star count. Let's check. Mouse click is working. Now write the condition for mouse. Sorry. Mouse over. So index is less than mouse over. Start over. Let's change this. Now mouse over is also working. Now we will check mouse. Mouse over is working. Suppose if I will click on 4 and then I will hover it on second or third, then it will not remove the highlighted star. Star from the highlight from the star. To do that, we will write one condition here. Index no star hover equal to 0 and operator. Now check. Do shift R. Mouse over is working, mouse leave is working. Let me click on this. So it's that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.